Most CSS animations looks perfect on your screen, but it completely breaks on smaller or large screens. And this usually happens when animations are built using fixed pixel values. And the usual solution, writing half of your code, more breakpoints, more adjustments, and more time waste. We have all been here, but in this video I will show you how I make complex CSS animations fully responsive using just one line of code. The idea is simple. We make the animation behave like a responsive SVG. You know how an SVG scales perfectly with its container? That's exactly the behavior we want. Instead of thinking in pixels, we build the entire animation using relative units like EM. That's mean font size, width, height, spacing, border radius, positioning, everything. Because EM scales based on their parent font size, the entire animation becomes proportional automatically. The magic moment is once the animation reaches the point where it needs a trim, we don't rewrite the animation, we simply scale the parent container, either with a fixed value or based on the viewport width, depending on the design. And that single line scales the whole animation. No writing, no pre-element tweaks. If you ever tried making complex UI animations responsive, you know how painful it gets. This approach removes all of that work. This is how I build production-ready animations for real projects where responsiveness and maintainability matter more than just visuals. Subscribe if you want more CSS animation techniques like this. I break down real front-end workflows and techniques on this channel.